Namaskaram. Welcome to the new Jyoti's SSLC online class. Today we deal with the first chapter, Adventures in a Banyan Tree. In the first unit, Glimpses of Nature. The unit has 3 chapters. There are 2 interesting short stories and a poem. Today, let's start with Adventures in a Banyan Tree, an interesting short story. Let's meet a great author of modern Indian English literature. Can you identify this person? This is Ruskin Bond, one of the most celebrated author of Indian English literature. He wrote his first novel, The Room of the Roof, at the age of 17. His first book was The Angry River. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Akademi Award for his short story collection, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 for his contributions to the children's literature. Today, we discuss one of the famous stories written by this great storyteller, Adventures in a Banyan Tree. Like all other Bond stories, this story also revolves around the theme of nature. Nature is not only for me, not for you also. Then is it for all human beings? No, never. Then to whom for it is? Nature is for all living beings. All of us are expected to live in harmony with nature. What is living in harmony with nature? We should live by accepting the right of all other living organisms. We are not allowed to hinder the life of even a tiny ant. Can you live like that? If you can, you are living in harmony with the nature. Yes, your life is blended with the essence of nature. Now let us come to the story. Let me read the first paragraph for you. Okay, so the story is going to happen in a village, okay, and this particular village is lying at the feet of the Himalayas. Okay, what do you mean by lying at the feet of the Himalayas? We also have the feet over here, right? So does the Himalaya have any feet or something like that? Nope. It means that it is lying at the bottom side of the Himalayas. Okay, so where is the location actually? It is a place, it is a village called as the Dehra. Okay, there is the story which is going to happen. Okay, anyway, let's focus on to the lesson. Okay, though the house and the grounds of our home in India were a grandfather's domain, the magnificent old banyan tree was mine chiefly because grandfather at the age of 65 could no longer climb it. So what is the author mentioning about? The author is mentioning about a property. Okay, he mentions about a property which belongs to the grandfather. Okay, so this property belongs to the grandfather, and there is one particular thing which belongs to the boy. Okay, so what is that? It is the old banyan tree. Okay, that old banyan tree belonged to the boy. What is the reason for that? Because the grandfather is old, then he could no longer climb the old banyan tree. Okay, how can a grandfather climb the old banyan tree? Is it possible? Yes, maybe, but over here it is not possible at all. Okay, so the old banyan tree belonged to only to the boy. Okay, though the whole estate or the whole property, the whole domain belonged to the grandfather, but the old banyan tree belongs to me. And there is a word which is mentioned over there as the magnificent. Okay, what do you mean by that? Magnificent. Magnificent means that it is extremely beautiful. Okay, magnificent means that it is an extremely beautiful banyan tree. Okay, so the whole property, this particular banyan tree was extremely beautiful, and that particular banyan tree belonged to the boy, to me. Okay, so let's head to the next sentence. Okay, grandfather at the age of 65 could no longer climb it. Okay, grandmother used to tease him about this and would speak of a certain Countess of Desmond, an English woman who lived to the age of 117 and would have lived longer if she hadn't fallen while climbing an apple tree. So grandmother would tease him with a Countess of Decimon. So, who is the Countess of Decimon? What do you mean by a Countess? A Countess means that it's kind of a princess or kind of a lady or a landlord. Okay, so of Decimon, it is also mentioned over there. It is a Countess or a princess or maybe a landlord in a Decimon area, and she was at the age of 117. She was at the age of 117, and what did she do? She fell off from an apple tree. Okay, at the age of 117, can you imagine that? It is kind of funny, right? An old woman climbing a tree. Yeah, it was funny like that. So grandmother would tease him by telling him that it is like the Countess of Decimon. Okay, an old lady, and she had climbed an apple tree. And what did it happen over there? She had a great fall from an apple tree. Okay, she died because of that. And always my grandmother used to tease grandfather by saying about the Countess of Decimon. Okay, so all the time she teases about this. Okay, so and would have lived longer if she hadn't fallen while climbing an apple tree. So she was at the age of 117, and if she didn't even climb that particular apple tree, she would have lived longer. Okay, so all the time she used to tease the grandfather by saying this story. Okay, then the spreading branches of the banyan tree, which curved to the ground and took root again, forming a maze of arches, gave me endless pleasure. So, how was the banyan tree standing over there on the ground? I told you already, it is an extremely beautiful banyan tree, isn't it? So, this particular banyan tree was standing, arching. A lot of branches were there. What do you mean by the branches? The hands of the trees, right? So there were a lot of branches for this particular tree, and all of the branches were arching. They were bending down to the roots, like bending down to the soil, and it was in a complex structure. Maze means that it means a complex structure. Okay, so it bended towards the ground. Okay, it bended towards the ground, forming a complex structure. Okay, can you imagine that? It is kind of complicated, right? The roots will be, the branches of the banyan tree, this particular banyan tree will be bending towards the ground, and it will be forming complex patterns. Okay, so ground and took root again, forming a maze of arches, gave me endless pleasures. So all these visuals gave me endless pleasure. I was happy to see all these things, like the complex maze, complex branches twisted to each other, then this magnificent, this extremely beautiful banyan tree, everything gave me extremely pleasure. Okay, I was happy to see all those things. Then let's go to the next sentence. The tree was older than the house, older than the grandfather, as old as the town of Dehra, nestling in a valley at the foot of the Himalayas. I told you before, right? It was this particular city or this particular town was at the foot of the Himalayas. Okay, it was at the downside of the Himalayas. Okay, it was older than the house. It was actually older. This particular tree, banyan tree, was older than our house, and it was older than grandfather. How old he was? He was like 65, right? So this particular tree was older than my grandfather, and it was also older than the town of Dehra, isn't it? It was so old that before this town of Dehra, this particular banyan tree was already over there at the foot of Himalayas, at the downside of the Himalayas. But that tree, the magnificent, the wonderful banyan tree, is the domain of the author. Why? Grandfather is 65 years old. He could go and roam everywhere in that compound, in that property, but he cannot climb on the banyan tree. Grandfather used to tease him about this. Grandmother used to tease him about this. Okay, what is the reason? Because grandfather would be able to walk everywhere in that property, right? But there is only one thing: he cannot climb the tree. Maybe he was scared, or maybe grandmother always used to tease him regarding this Countess of Decimon. maybe because of that reason. Okay, so he was ready to roam all around the property, but he was not at all ready to climb that old banyan tree. Okay, he was scared. She often referred the story of Countess of Desmond, who was Countess of Desmond. She was an English woman longed live, who long lived to the age of 117. So she was a very old woman. Okay, can you imagine a lady living for 117 years? Can you imagine that? She will be so weak, right? But over here, grandmother is mentioning that, or she is saying that she had lived to the age of 117 and she tried to climb an apple tree. But if she didn't do that, she would live longer than that. Okay, so she was an English woman who long lived to the age of 117, and she died by falling from an apple tree. She would have lived longer if she had not climbed the apple tree. Okay, the author describes how the tree gave him endless pleasure. Okay, I told you already that this particular old banyan tree, it was magnificent, it was extremely beautiful, right? So it had complex patterns also, like maze was formed because of the branches, right? So it gave immense pleasure. It was such a beautiful visual for the author. Okay, it had widespread branches. So it had widespread branches. It was the branches of this particular tree was spreading all over that property. Okay, all over that place. The branches were curved to the ground, took root again. So some of the branches went to the ground and some of them took the roots also. Okay, some of them became the roots also, forming maze of arches. Means that it was a complex pattern, but still it was amazing, it was beautiful. It was truly amusing structure. It was an amazing structure. Okay, if someone was watching that particular banyan tree, they would definitely say, wow, what a beautiful tree it is. So it was such an extremely beautiful visual. Okay, he enjoyed playing on that tree also. This our author used to play on the tree. He had built a platform over there. Okay, he used to take rest over there and he used to play around the tree, and such a beautiful life he had with the banyan tree. So banyan trees have a curvy branches. Okay, so banyan tree have curvy branches. Okay, these branches will be bended towards the ground. Often these branches grow to the ground, take a root again. Just as I told you, these branches of the banyan tree, they would go deep down to the ground and sometimes they will form the root also. Okay, so it is kind of a complex structure. Let's head to some of the textual questions related to this paragraph. Okay, the answers will be already in your rank file. Let's go ahead now. House and grounds were of grandfather's domain, but the magnificent old banyan tree was mine. Why did the boy say so? Okay, so what is the reason why this particular boy had told this same thing? Okay, the reason is that the grandfather at the age of 65, he is such an old person, could no longer climb the banyan tree. He is such an old person and he could not climb an banyan tree. Okay, he is at the age of 65 and he could no longer climb the old banyan tree. So the next question is that where is the story happening? Okay, so where is the story happening? You can, if you remember, I told you already, it is happening at the foot of the Himalaya, right? It is happening at the downside of the Himalaya. And where to be exact? It is mentioned that the story is happening in an old town of Dehra. Okay, the story is happening in an old town of Dehra, which is located at the foot of the Himalayas, at the downside of the Himalayas. So that's all about this session.